Hello and welcome to day 4 of learning Python from ChatGPT. In today's lesson, we'll just be carrying on learning. So let's ask it for the lesson. Please give me today's lesson, Python lesson with you acting as my tutor. Okay, let's go. Basic operators. Okay, let's start reading. Okay, today's lesson will introduce you to the basic operators in Python. You'll learn about arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to perform basic mathematical operations, compare values, and use logical operators in your Python programs. So the arithmetic operators. Used to perform basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. So I know all the modulus, division, multiplication, subtraction, addition. So exponential raised value to a power of another. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it's just like the hat thing. For division divides. It's so like a common in C++ and C and JavaScript, I believe. Divides one value by another and returns the highest integer part of the quotient. What? I'll see the example, see if I understand it. So yeah. That would be 1. 2 times 2 times 2, so 8. Oh, but that's what I don't get. Let me just quickly put these in pie chart. And so it divides one value by another and returns the integer part. Oh, okay. Floor division. I should have read floor division. Okay, I probably did, but okay. So this one you would get 3, I believe, because it just returns the integer part. Okay, pretty easy. Comparison operations are used to compare two values. They return a Boolean value, true or false. The thing I don't like about true or false, like Boolean values in Python, is like you need capital T and capital F for the true and false. So equal to, not equal to, greater, less than, yeah, okay. All pretty simple. Okay. Logical operators, and, okay. And or not. Yeah, okay, pretty simple. This is a simple program that demonstrates use of arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators. Okay. Okay. It just always gives you the answer. I just create a program that takes 2 numbers as input. Okay, well, Python. How do you get so we'll make a new file and we'll call it day 4. Day 4. It takes a while for it to load. Okay, add. So remember those comments. So input 1 is, so we say 5, input 2 is 3, print sum, for some reason my editor is so much delayed today. difference. Oh, does it want us to use the like? Because like you don't know which one would be greater, so we'll have to use if. Oops. I keep on doing that. That's not possible. Is greater than input 2. Then on that. Difference is input 1 minus input 2. LF input 2 is greater than input 1 2. Let me just do else print, because if it's not greater or less than, it's going to be equal. Difference is 0. Okay, so that's the sum one. The product, so print product. Windows no go. Print when shipment. So I'm just going to do input, oops, comma. Remainder. So that's mod, so it'll be input 1 mod input 2. Okay, and we'll run this. Oops, wrong one. So comparison operators are okay, so right program takes 2. So the second part of that assign takes 2 inputs. So let me just check in the example if they're having okay, number 1. I'll do no, I just keep input 1 and 5. So print number 1 is less than equal to number 2. Oops. Oh, yeah, wrong one. and then we just do the equal one. Input 1 is equal to input 2, print num2 is less than, no. Actually, we don't need to know that because we can work it out from that. Okay, I just leave it at that bit. It'll just be to know if it would be equal to you. Actually, yeah, you don't even need the equals one because you can work it out from these two. Because if num1 is less than 2, it's true. No, it's false. And then num1 is less than or equal to num2. And it's true. That'll mean num1 is equal to num2. I'll just run this quickly. I'll do some nice formatting on the go. And I forgot that we don't need spaces because it's commas in Python. But then again, like, that's one of the performance trade-offs. But I would say that if you're printing something, you would want to comment. Otherwise, you can just use the plus operator. Okay. That's says 1. Let's run it again. Let's see the format. Formatting, yeah, that's good. Example 3. Write a program that demonstrates that. Okay. Print as a true and false. Print no true and false or true. Now do print not false. So I'll write the ones that I think. So true and false will be false. True and false or true. Yep, that's going to be true because we got true here and or, and not false, so it's the opposite of false, which is true. Now let's run this. False, true, true. Yep, that's it. Okay, nice. Let's go back. Okay, thank you for today's lesson. Please mark my work.